this video, we're going to adjust the stops for the machine. If you've noticed, when you mounted the machine to the stand, that it doesn't move down because there's stops in the back that hold it in one place during shipping. So first you need a brush block, which is the 10751. We're going to put that down here. And the next thing to do is to adjust the stops. So if you turn the machine around and look at the back, you'll find these two stops. So what we want to do is we want to loosen up the bottom one and lower it down. Lower the stop down all the way. Now next, we're going to lower the machine down until the needle guards bottom out on the top of the brush block or the top of your product. Then what we're going to do is we're going to raise the bottom stop to the bottom of the slide and then tighten that up. What this does is it stops the module down instead of bottoming out on the top of the card completely. The top stop isn't really important. The position of that is not really that important.